be divided, stay united. Hello everyone. Myself Tanishka from Standard 10C studying in St. Joseph's High School. Today I am going to address you on the topic racial discrimination. Racial discrimination means discrimination on the basis of caste, color, gender or region. An individual can discriminate you by refusing to do business with, socialize with, or sharing resources with you. India has a problem with racism. It suffers from it and it practices it. In a recent survey, India was ranked as one of the most racist countries in the world. Due to the large regional diversity, we can see communities pitted up against each other for resources or ideologically. There have been many cases of North Indians discriminating South Indians and mainland population isolating the Northeasterns and the Indian obsession with the fair skin. It's the most sickening things about us. It's even worse than the white people's racism towards the black people. It's unbelievable. The government should put forth some policy towards racial intolerance and the message should be loud and clear. No country is immune from racial and religious intolerance and terrorism or bigots. I am deeply alarmed by the rise of xenophobia, religious, racial intolerance. Hate speech is entering the mainstream and is spreading like the wildfire through social media. These dark forces menace the democratic values, social stability and peace. When a person is attacked physically, mentally, or through social media, the whole society is diminished. It's crucial for us all of us to stand up and fight against the racism and discrimination. We must counter the politician that exploit differences for its electoral gain. We must repair the fissures and polarization that are so prevalent in our societies nowadays. We must nurture mutual understanding and make diversity a success. We must resolve together and fight against the racism and discrimination. Let us reflect how we can fight this discrimination and promote non-discrimination in every country and at every level. We are all connected by humanity and we are all equal. Stand up and fight racism. Thank you and have an amazing day.